Blizzard by Joyce Markovits. Blizzards. Snowflakes fall from the sky. Soon, strong winds begin to blow. A blizzard is coming. Snow is made up of tiny bits of ice. During a blizzard, winds blow 35 miles per hour, 56 kilometers per hour, or more. Swoosh! Wind blows the snow all around. The swirling snow makes it hard to see. A blizzard is a bad winter storm. It can bring heavy snow and high winds. A whiteout is when blowing snow makes it hard to see. A blizzard makes roads icy and snowy. Cars slide on the ice. They get stuck in the snow. Blizzards can bring several feet of snow. Heavy snow blocks doorways. Then people may get trapped in buildings. Winds from a blizzard often blow snow into huge piles. The piles are called snowdrifts. Sometimes people get caught outside in a blizzard. They can get lost in the blowing snow. When parts of a person's body get very cold, they can freeze. This is called frostbite. How do you know if a blizzard is coming? Check weather reports. Turn on a TV, computer, or radio to find out if a blizzard is on its way. Stay indoors during a blizzard. This is the best way to keep safe and warm. It is not safe to travel during a blizzard. Be ready if the heater in your home stops working. Have warm clothes and blankets nearby. Protect yourself from a blizzard's icy blast. Blizzards can last for hours or even days. Blizzard facts. Most blizzards occur in the United States, Canada, and Russia. A blizzard can have temperatures as low as 10 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 12 degrees Celsius, or even lower. A blizzard's blowing snow stops people from seeing more than a quarter mile, 0.4 kilometers, in front of them. If you are caught outside during a blizzard, find shelter right away. Make sure your family has a flashlight in case the power in your home goes out. Also, make sure your family has a radio with batteries so that you can hear weather reports.